Greetings YouTube, welcome back to this video tutorial. Last time we created the wallpapers class and we got some data from our database. In this video tutorial we will not create any other class, but we will bring some improvement to our code. As you can see here, every time we create a new class we have to include it in our index.php file, but as the number of these classes increase it will be a little bit difficult to do so, or it will not be resource friendly if we are including all the classes in our website, regardless of if we are using them or not. So here is a better way. First, we create this function. Let's call it my autoloader. It requires a single argument as the class name. As I mentioned earlier in previous videos, my classes, I create them as this naming with this naming convention. I call every class name .class.php, every class file. So I also said that our classes will exist in the classes folder and in the views folder. So if the class is in the classes folder, if the file exists, the class name, we include it once and return true. Or we search for the class name in the view folder, views folder. The same, if the file exists, we include it once and return true. If neither files exist, then we return false. Here we don't need to require the classes, the file names or the files of the classes, but we call a PHP function it's called SPL underscore autoload underscore register. This function requires an argument as a function. My function that I just created, my autoloader. So with this code, every class we create, it will be loaded and registered regardless of where we are using them. Yeah, we're using it or calling. So let's try this. Okay, no change. So the classes are loaded, wallpapers and database. If you want a better illustration for this, let's create another class. Let's call it a.class.php. PHP class a public function underscore construct. The constructor will echo we are creating an object or this class without any include. We will do much more than this. We will create an object of the class A in another class without any including. Let's say the search function of the class A. Let's say $A equals new A. Like so, we are calling the constructor of the class A. Let's see here. Good. We are creating a class without any including. Thank you very much for watching this little video. This part of code will make a big improvement for creating our classes later. See you in the next video.